Good day, can you please introduce yourself?
Good day, future employers. I am Rosana Fernandez Tagaw, 32 years old. I am college graduate. I took Bachelor of Science in Hotel, Restaurant, and Management. I'm married with 2 kids, ages 13 years old son and 1 year and 6 months daughter.
Okay. Can you tell me your experience?
I have work experience here in Philippines, housemaid. I serve a couple and 3 children. I do the household chores like cleaning, ironing, laundry, and my main duty is to take care of the children.
Okay. Can you tell me the ages of the children?
5, 4, and 2 years old, sir. Ma'am.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I always check their temperature, and if the baby is sick, I'm called my employer, sir, ma'am.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am honest, hardworking, and I am responsible, ma'am.
Do you have any tattoo?
No po, no, ma'am.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to work abroad for my family, especially my children, and for financially stable in the future, sir.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My mother, sir, and my husband.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I focus on my work, and I remind myself that I need this job for my family, sir.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep at around 10 p.m. and wake up in 5 a.m. in the morning, sir.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I'm more be patient and calmer, and yes, sir.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Sir?
Can you promise not to lend in Hong
Yes,
Kong?
sir. Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats? Are you scared of
Yes,
dogs and
sir.
cats? Okay. Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
I'm willing to learn, sir.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Hello, my dear future employers. If you're going to hire me, dear future employers, I will assure you that I will take care of your child and take care of your house, sir.
Okay.